In this video, let's talk about how to change your GoDaddy Nameservers. To complete your Cloudflare nameserver setup, you will now need to change the DNS within your domain registration account. If you're using GoDaddy, log in to your GoDaddy account. To manage your domains, click on your name on the top right corner of your screen, and a menu will drop down. Under Quick Links, click on Manage Domains. You will then see a list of all your domains. Click on the settings next to your domain to reveal another menu where you can select Manage DNS. This is the page where you will find your DNS records. To change them, go to the Nameserver section and click on the blue button that says Change. You will then be taken to the page where you can directly change the nameservers of your domain name. Review the instructions provided by Cloudflare. Confirm the current nameservers are the same. Copy the nameservers that were given by them. Go back to GoDaddy and paste them into the nameservers of your domain name. Keep in mind that there are two, so go back here, copy the second nameserver, go back to GoDaddy, and do the same with the second one. The two remaining ones you can delete. When you are done, click on the Save button.